almost something too easy about this. It almost feels like I'm cheating, you know? I sit back, relax, taking the view, talking on the radio every so often, and by the time I finish, I could probably still even climb Mount Everest. This is glorious.
So we're not quite sure where we are again. We just took a bit of a run too. We've ended up in a bit of a dead end, so we're trying to dig my way out of it.
A lot of aircraft these days have MP3 systems which allow you to listen to music when air traffic control aren't talking to you. But unfortunately we don't have one on this aircraft, so we decided to sing.
To sing?
Yeah.
Sing?
Sing.
We're running, heading for the highway.
Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, living on a prayer.
This is the traffic that we've been facing.
Stapleford Radio, this is full flap 01.
Full flap 01. Stapleford Radio, pass your message.
Good afternoon to you. Full flap 01, PA28 from Fair Oaks, inbound to yourselves. Currently 2,000 feet, QNH 1018 overhead Brentwood, request joining instructions.
Full flap 01, Roger. We're using runway 22 left-hand circuit, the QNH 1018.
Rob was just talking to a guy we both know quite well. Hello Steve, if you're watching this later. God, I love this flying game.
Well, we found a rather impressive golf course, but we were actually looking for an aerodrome. Back on the bike, I think.
Okay, so we're going to get her on the ground.
I'm pretty sure we're nearly there now. I don't know how these Vikings do it. This is quite scary. But it's awesome.
QNH 1018. QNH 1018. If you could ask the Warriors landing to put the car down, please.
We're down.
We're down, a little bit bumpy, not my best landing ever. But anyway, the question is, did the egg survive?
So we were nearly there. So we were nearly there when John just had to stop for a minute.
What's he doing? Come on, we're in a race, don't you understand, man?
I'm trying to decide which side of my face to put with the sun to get the tan balanced. Hello, mate. Well, we beat you, but you know what?
We did.
You might still win. Do you want to take your lid off? Okay, we beat you by air.
Fair
A lot
enough.
quicker.
Yeah.
Okay, but you could still win. We need to check the parcels, so come on, you open your one up first. If it's still intact, you're in with a chance.
Oh!
Well and truly smashed! Okay, well, in which case we win, don't we? But let's have a look inside here. Rob, can you come and have a close-up just to see how well we've done on this?
Oh, no.
Honestly, it is not looking good at the moment.
No.
Scrambled.
Look at the egg at the bottom of that.
That's really gross.
In which case, as
that
Mr.
mean it's a
Cameraman
draw?
moves around there. No, we beat you. I think still we beat you as an aircraft. But I must admit, the other conclusion is that neither method is safe for courier biking.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy it?
Speak to the day job, fantastic.